Hey guys, Bill Wu here, thehummerguy.com. Behind me here is my 2003 Hummer H1 8-passenger. Almost all Hummer H1s can be configured as an 8-passenger. These are factory Hummer H1 seats. As you can see, there's 4 bolts the frame bolts down into. There used to be 4 of these shackles there. You basically just unbolt those and bolt in those bolts. Same for the center here. There's 4 shackles. Basically you just unbolt those and bolt the frame in, and then the seat comes apart. There's a quick release pin right there, 4 of them. The seats come usually with a lap belt. I've added a 4-point harness. There's not much room here, ideally for kids. I'm 5'9" in my head. It rubs along the top here. In a wagon, definitely only for kids. The roof between the rear seats is a lot lower, and definitely only for little kids, unless you take the top off. I'm seated between the 2 rear seats. You see plenty of headroom here. A really cool mod for your Hummer H1 soft top would be these auxiliary jump seats. You could actually fit 8 full-size adults in this Hummer H1, and this is all factory. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new about the Hummer H1.